Welcome back to Toy Time. Today we're gonna show you guys a new toy from the movie Cars 3. Look how awesome. This is the racetrack. This is the ultimate Speedway racetrack, the Florida 500 racetrack. Isn't it cool? And also subscribe to our channel to watch many more videos. You can see all these toys here. I'm gonna be unboxing them and creating lots of adventures for you guys. So please subscribe to our channel. And look, today we're also gonna unbox this 10-piece set with different cars from the Cars 3 collection. Very cool, right guys? Let me also show you some other toys that we'll be unboxing. So here it is. This is the Rusty's Quick Change Garage. It comes with a nice little garage, and I think the cars can change colors. Isn't it cool? I'm gonna show you guys in another video, so subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the toys we show. Today we're unboxing the big track, the Florida 500 Speedway, but also we're gonna be unboxing all these other toys. So let me show you guys the box here real quick. There is the yellow car, Cruz Ramirez. She is so cool, right guys? We have to get her here to our channel. I still don't have a Cruz Ramirez. Can you believe it, guys? And here there's Lightning McQueen in the blue paint, the fabulous Lightning McQueen. He looks like Hudson Hornet. And there's also a red Lightning McQueen. Very cool. All right, so let me set this box right here. And I'm going to show you guys another toy that we'll be unboxing. This is the Florida Speedway Spiral Playset. Very cool, right? There's also a Lightning McQueen included in this toy, as you guys can see right here. And it looks like a spiral, so I'm sure they can pick up speed going down this spiral into the racetrack. And what is really cool is that they interlock, so I can also set this play set with my Speedway. Now let me show you guys the top of the box. I moved my camera a little. There it is. Okay. So also one more thing that I always ask you guys, besides subscribing to our channel, of course, is to leave us a comment. So I'm going to be creating lots of adventures with the cars. So leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys want to see here on our channel. If you guys want to see a race, which cars do you guys want to race? That would be very cool, right? And also any other adventure that you want to see here, just let me know. Okay, so you know what? This box and this toy is so big that I'm gonna have to bring it to the living room in my house. So let's move this box and let me assemble this toy. It's gonna be very cool. Okay guys, so here we are. Welcome to my living room. Haha, very funny. I had to assemble this toy here on the side of my living room because this racetrack, it's pretty big. Let me show you guys the back of the box. There is a picture here on the back of the box. It looks pretty cool. It looks like the racetrack is on a beach. And remember, whoever watched the movie, if you guys watched the movie, this racetrack is in Florida. So it is at a beach. So it looks very nice. Look, all the cars are hanging out in the sand. Pretty cool, right? All right, so let's start opening this box. First things first, let's go ahead and remove the Lightning McQueen that's included in this play set. All right, there he is. Let me move the camera to show you guys. Aha, voila. So now maybe I should just remove this Lightning McQueen from the box or start opening the box from that corner over there. It's a pretty big box. All right, so also my son is helping us assemble this toy today. Isn't it cool? Okay, so let's show you the side right here. This is what's included in the box and what the toy is all about. It has a motorized booster, 4 different play zones. The vehicle is included, which is the one vehicle, Lightning McQueen, and they're thrilling side-by-side racing, so we can see which car is gonna win the race. All right, so this looks like the different zones in the toy. There's the booster here. Very cool. So let's go ahead and open this box. Who's ready? Are you guys ready? Here we go. So let's start opening from the top of the box. Where's the Lightning McQueen? And wow, look at this here. I didn't even show you guys. My son actually really wanted me to show you guys. Look how big this track is. It's over 5 feet long, and it's the equivalent of 20 Lightning McQueens. These guys right here lined up one after the other. It's the size of 20 Lightning McQueens. So it takes a pretty big space, and I'm very glad we're opening this toy here in the living room of my house. Here it is, up to 20. Cool, right? All right, so let's start opening. My son is gonna help us. So here we go. We need to get the scissors, and then we're gonna start cutting the box from the side. You wanna help mommy? Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box. I'm gonna have to flip the box. I don't even know which way I should flip it because it's pretty big. Let's start opening from this side. What do you think? Or maybe from over here. Let's try to clip this tape right there so we can at least get this side of the box open and get Lightning McQueen out of there. Oh no, okay, he changed his mind. So let's start. Oh, we changed our mind again. So we're going back to this area. Once again, let's cut the tape. Good job. And here we go. Let's start ripping through this box right here, opening this box. Let's go back to the other side there and try to trim it. That's an easy opening side. So I guess if you just cut it here, you can just open the box from the back. Or let's see, from the side. Let me see if I have better luck here. Here we go. We're getting it. Okay, the box is opening and we're gonna assemble the toy. All right, so first I'm gonna have to get all these pieces here on the floor. Whoa, a whole lot of pieces. There's a lot of pieces to assemble. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so once we get all these pieces out of the box, we're gonna have to get the manual with the instructions. So it's telling us that we should start getting all the stickers on the toy and following the instructions for the stickers because it's much easier to assemble when you have the stickers placed ahead of time. So let's start getting all the stickers done. We're gonna add the sticker right here. Okay, make sure it's nice and straight. Now here is the stage. Whoever wins the race will get the piston cup right here on the stage. Very nice. It looks so cool. I love this toy. All right, so let's add the stage right there. And let's set the stage right here. Click, click, it connected. Awesome. Let's finish connecting our racetrack. Wow, you guys can see how awesome this toy looks, right? Okay, so here it is. We're all done with the racetrack. Now let's set the dome around it. I love this dome. It looks so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna assemble all the pieces together. Very cool. And now here it's Lightning McQueen. So let's test Lightning McQueen. Let's make sure it can race through the track. Whoa, it did. And look, the track was closed right there. You see there's a lever right there. So you can direct which way you want the car to go. Pretty clever. All right, so my son wants to race Lightning McQueen. And this time we're gonna make sure he goes on the upper lane. Nope, the upper lane. This one is closed, so let's go on this one. And there we go. So are you guys ready to start a fun adventure? But first, we need to open the other box with all the other toys because we need cars on the bleachers. We need to make sure this racetrack is very busy today. It's showtime. So here we go. I'm gonna set all these guys right there on the bleachers. Voila. And let's start a fun race. Are you guys ready to watch the race of the Florida 500 Speedway? We have 3 cars racing. It's gonna be Lightning McQueen, Kyle Weathers, and Jackson Storm. And it's unbelievable. Jackson Storm is all the way to the back of the line. This is because he's a rookie, and we don't know how he's gonna perform. I really hope Lightning McQueen wins. And whoa, wait a minute. Let's start the race. Ready, set, go. All 3 cars start the race. And Lightning McQueen is the winner. He's gonna go to the stage and get his prize. He just won the Piston Cup. This is awesome. I can't believe you beat Jackson Storm on the race. Alright guys, so how did you like our adventure today? Did you guys think Lightning McQueen was gonna win? Isn't it cool that he finally won against Jackson Storm? Let us know what you think. If you want Jackson Storm to win next time, or if you want Lightning McQueen to win again, or maybe even Kyle Weathers, who knows? So leave us a comment, let us know how you like this toy, let us know how you like this video, and also let us know any more video ideas that you want to see here on our channel, so we can make a video especially for you. So thank you very much for watching Toy Time. Please subscribe to watch many more videos from our channel. Thank you guys. And now stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys the racetrack when you put the batteries on. And I'm going to show you that on another video. You see? You just put the car and the car goes through the booster and keeps racing around the track. Very cool, right? And click on the videos that we selected for you to watch more adventures from Toy Time. Subscribe!